Fabulous evening to everyone. Now we are discussing about chapter 1, exercise 1.1, question number 5. What is the question? If A is equal to 1 by 9, 3 into 3, a matrix set, prove that A inverse is equal to A power 3. So already I have proved in basic concept A inverse function, it will be equal to A power t, means what is the meaning? A into A power t is equal to A power t into A is equal to I3. So once first and last will be equal, means definitely we can say second term also will be equal. So now I am proving first and third condition. Before moving to prove, first we need A power t. So A power t means what is the value of A? 1 by 9 constant. Then remaining the term, row we should be right column. So minus 8, 1, positive 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, minus 8, 4. This is our transpose of A. Then what we need to prove? A into A power t is equal to I3. So A into A power t I3 means first A value. What is our A value? So 1 by 9 constant. Then minus 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, minus 8, 4. Again A power t is equal to, so 1 by 9 constant, then minus 8, 4, 1, 1, 4, minus 8, 4, 7, 4. This whole term will be equal to I3 term. So I3 means identity 3 into 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So listen carefully, my dear students. Now we are simplifying. 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 means 1 by 81. Then first row multiply with the second set of first column. So minus 8 into minus 8, positive 64. 1 into 1, positive 1. 4 into 4, 16. Next term, minus 8 into 4 means minus 32. 1 into 4 means positive 4. 4 7s are 28. Then next one, minus 8 into 1, minus 8. 1 into minus 8, minus 8. 4 into 4 means 16. Now second row, 4 into minus 8 means minus 32. 4 into 1 means positive 4. 7 4s are 28. The next term, for second row multiply with second set of second column. So 4 into 4 is equal to positive 16. 4 into 4 is equal to again positive 16. 7 7s are 49. The next term, second row multiply second set of third column. 4 into 1 means 4. 4 into minus 8 means minus 32. 7 4s are 28. Now third row, 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Minus 8 into 1, minus 8. 4 into 4, 16. Now check it there. Next term, third row, 1 into 4, 4. Minus 8 into 4, minus 32. 4 7s are 28. Then next term, 1 into 1, 1. Minus 8 into minus 8, positive 64. Then 4 4s are 16. So listen, my dear students, this whole term will be equal to identity 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now I am simplifying the term. 64 plus 5, 64 plus 1, 65. Outside we have constant term 1 by 81. Then 64 plus 1, 65. 65 plus 16 is equal to again 81. Then next term, minus 32. 28 plus 4. So definitely we can cancel directly. No, listen carefully. Plus 4 plus 28, because plus 4 plus 28 plus 32. Plus 32 minus 32 cancel. Again minus 8 means minus 16 and plus 16. Second term also will be cancelled. Again minus 32 will be cancelled, because plus 4 plus 28 means plus 32. Next term, this is actually, so after cancellation, after cancellation, next one, this is not possible to cancel, but next term minus 32 is there, plus 28 plus 4, definitely next term also will be cancelled. Then one more term is there, so minus 8 minus 8 minus 16 and positive 16. Here minus 32 plus 4 plus 28 also cancel. So this is not possible to cancel. So after cancellation, after simplification, you have to look at there 1 by 81, then 0 0, again also 0. Then next term 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. 32 plus 49 means 81. 81. Again cancellation term here also 0, then 0 0 there, check it there, 81 will come. How? 64 plus 1 65, 65 plus 16, 65 plus 16, 65 plus 6 is equal to 71, 71 plus 10 is equal to 81. This whole term will be equal to 3 into 3 identity matrix set 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if I take it each and every 1 by 81 means already inside 3 into 3 matrix set common term, what the term is there? 81 common. Take outside means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This whole term will be equal to identity matrix set 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So after 81 81 cancellation means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So check it there, what we need to prove. So a into a power t is equal to I3. So definitely LHS will be equal to RHS. So a into a power t is equal to I3 means similarly a power t into a also I3. So if you get that type of the equation, definitely what is the name? A is orthogonal. A is orthogonal. Listen, I would like to recall the basic. What is our basic term? A multiply A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I means. So after proof, inverse will be equal to transpose means A into A power transpose is equal to A power transpose into A is equal to I means. So instead of I, if you apply transpose of the term means definitely A will be cancelled means A inverse is equal to A power transpose. This is our proof of the question. Therefore A inverse is equal to E power T. This therefore we can write it hence proof. Thank you. We will continue our next video.